Hi guys, this is a seed company that I've purchased from before in the past, and I've been very pleased with how well their seeds germinate. Since I decided to start a lot of my plants from seed this year, since I'm planning on planting a much larger garden, usually I just buy plant starts, but I figured it'd be more cost effective to grow my own plants instead. So I just wanted to do a quick review on some of the seeds that I got this year. So one of my absolute favorite greens to grow are the collards. So I currently have some grown right now in my fall garden, but I'll definitely be planting some more for the summer garden as well. And then this is a new one. It's called Mizuna. If you live in a warm climate, you're gonna wanna grow different greens that grow well in your climate. So where I'm at in Florida here, we have a lot of heat and humidity. So Mizuna is very heat tolerant. It's slow to bolt. It just does really well with the humidity. And the Mizuna is a Japanese mustard green, and it's a very juicy type of green. And the leaves have a bit of a peppery taste to it, but you can use it in salad or you could add it to stir fries, which is awesome. And then the amaranth, which is also known as the green Jamaican callaloo. It's very popular in the Caribbean. They just use it as basically like a spinach substitute, and it's another heat tolerant, humidity tolerant leafy green that's very delicious. And then this one is the bean Kantari. This is a stringless variety of bean, which is awesome. And it's a bunching variety as well, so it produces a lot of food for you to eat. And this one, the butterfly pea, I'm really excited about. This is grown for its flower. The flower is edible. You can also dry it and make it into tea. The tea is known to have calming effects. And then also the petals are used as a blue dye substitute. You can use the dye for different desserts, or if you want to have some fun, you can make a pink lemonade out of it. You make a tea out of the petals and the tea will be blue, but once you add lemon juice to it, it changes color. It changes pink, which is actually really cool. And it's mainly because of the pH change, because of the acidity. The next thing I'm growing is the Thai long green eggplant. I've never had these before, but it seemed interesting, and I like planting different varieties of things, and usually I've grown the black skinned eggplants, so I figured this time I'll do something different and grow the green skinned ones. And these grow pretty long. They grow between 10 to 12 inches. And then these two guys, I have the tomato red rosso Sicilian tomato. I haven't grown these varieties before, but they just looked really interesting. I love the ribbing in the tomato and the bright color. I decided to do two different cucumbers this year just to see which ones grow the best. The Jibai Shimoshirazu cucumber is this one here, and this one I picked because it said that it was disease resistant and powdery mildew resistant, as well as being adapted to tolerate the high temperatures and high humidities. And then this one is another Asian variety cucumber that grows really well here in Florida. And as for peppers, usually I like spicy peppers, but this time I decided to go with sweet peppers. So this one is a really large pepper. It's the Spanish mammoth pepper. This one grows really large. I think it's about like 2 times the size of a normal bell pepper. And then this is another sweet variety. Since I love the habanero peppers, I decided to try this one because this is a pepper that has the same flavor of a habanero, but without the heat. This is the habanada pepper. And lastly, the thing I love about Baker Creek is that they always give free seeds. So this time I was able to get 2 free seeds. So this free gift that I got was a sweet chocolate pepper, which I've never tried before, but I'm super excited about. And the other free gift is a purple Russian tomato. I've never tried, but I look forward to growing this year. So as for all of these seeds, I decided to use a Valentine's Day gift I got from my husband, and he knows how much I love gardening and growing things, so instead of chocolate and roses, he got me the Burpee 72 cell growing kit. And I sowed all of the seeds here, and so far the cucumbers have done the best. Those germinated and started to sprout within 4 days of planting. And also the callaloo started to grow right away also within 4 days. The only thing I'm still waiting on is the peppers to sprout and the tomatoes. But other than that, so far I'm very pleased with Baker Creek seeds. Like, I haven't been disappointed yet, and I don't expect to be this time around. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll be giving you guys an update on the seeds I planted, and I'll let you know how they're growing in a few weeks. Bye.